Okay, students, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in my class. Today we will discuss about the electric field due to line charge means charge distributed on the line. Suppose this is the line, charge on this line distributed, uniformly distributed, and length of this road is suppose A, and total charge on this road is Q. Then charge density lambda is equal to Q by A. We want to find out the electric field at point P. The point P, this is a point P, and distance of point P from this road is D. Then what will be electric field at point P due to this line charge distributed on the road, and charge density lambda is equal to Q by A, charge uniformly distributed on the road. Then we can find out the electric field at point P with help the electric field due to point charge. We know that electric field due to point charge is equal to kq upon r square, but here there is no point charge, there is charge distributed on the line. So we will consider the element of the line. This is the small element of the line, and length of this line, length of this small portion from point P is suppose x from point P, and charge on this small portion, small elements is suppose dq, and dq is equal to lambda into dx. Dx is the length of the small element, dx is the length of the small element, and dq is equal to charge density lambda into length dx. So dq is equal to lambda dot dx. dq behave as act as a point charge. Then we can find out the electric field at point P with help the dq. We know that E is equal to electric field at point P due to point charge d2 dq is kq upon r square. R square means r is the distance is x square. This is the electric field due to dq at point P. Okay, and direction of the DE just away from the positive charge, and we consider another small portion is dx, and we can find out the electric field at the point P due to this small portion. Again we can consider, and electric direction of electric field is just away from the positive charge. All electric field are in the same direction, so that total electric field at point P due to small portion, we can sum up the all electric field. It means total electric field at point P, total electric field at point P is equal to integration of dE is equal to integration of k dq x square, and E is equal to integration of k dq upon x square, where limit of x start from the one end to another end d and d plus a. The lower limit is d and upper limit is d plus a, and dq is equal to lambda dx. Then E is equal to integration of d plus a k lambda dx upon x square. Then you can find out the electric field. E is equal to k lambda is constant, and we can take integration of 1 upon x square. 1 upon x square means x to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, and this is the lower limit and this is the upper limit d plus a. E is equal to, and the next steps, E is equal to k lambda and x power of minus 1 upon minus 1. This is the lower limit, and upper limit. E is equal to k lambda. First of all, we will put the upper limit 1 upon d plus a. This is the negative, and this is negative positive, and 1 upon d. This is the electric field due to line charge at point P. E is equal to k lambda minus 1 upon d plus a plus 1 upon d, and you can simplify of these equations. E is equal to k lambda and d into d plus a minus d plus d plus a. d cancel out, and E is equal to k lambda. Lambda is equal to q upon a into d plus a, and d cancel out, and a. This is the value of E is equal to, last final answer is kq upon d into d plus a. This is the electric field. Electric field E is equal to kq d into d plus a. This is the formula. You can find out in a very easy way कि आप स्मॉल एलिमेंट्स ले लें, स्मॉल एलिमेंट्स लेकर के आप पी पॉइंट पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड निकाल लें. तो इस तरह से आपके पास में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट पॉइंट पी आ गई. उसके बाद टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड आउट कर लें. टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आपके पास आ गई, तो टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ई इज इक्वल टू जो वैल्यू आएगी के क्यू डी इंटू डी प्लस ए. और इसको आप याद कर सकते हैं इस तरह से कि ई इज इक्वल टू के क्यू अपॉन आर स्क्वायर के फॉर्मूले से. तो के क्यू अपॉन आर स्क्वायर, तो आर स्क्वायर में थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ेगा कि आर स्क्वायर आर इधर डिस्टेंस होती है, तो डिस्टेंस यहाँ से डी दे रखी है और एक डी प्लस ए दे रखी है. देयर आर टू डिस्टेंस आर गिवन, डी एंड डी प्लस ए. तो डी इंटू डी प्लस ए. तो यू कैन लर्न दिस फॉर्मूला. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आपको समझ में आया होगा. ओके, थैंक यू.